Let's see this question. 6 men and 10 women can complete a work in 12 days, whereas 8 men and 12 women can complete the same work in 6 days. If 10 men and 15 women are working together, in how many days they can complete? So they are giving two groups of people trying to complete the same work, and then they are asking about the third group. If this third group is working, then how many days does it take? For the first two groups, number of days required is already given. So using the first two groups, we can find out the ratio between men days and women days. See how to solve it. First one is 6 men and 10 women are working, can complete a work in 12 days. So given that group 1 is containing 6 men and 10 women, they are saying that they can complete the work in 12 days. Okay, so what is the effort required? The effort required equal to 6 into 12 men days plus 12 into 10 women days, isn't it? 10 into 12 women days. So let me write women first. Anyway, it is going to be same, but just to maintain the consistency. So 6 into 12 men days and 10 into 12 women days is the effort given by the group. Now the other group is also trying to finish the same work, and in that group there are 8 men and 25 women, and they are finishing it in 6 days, right? Therefore, what is the effort given by this group? The effort given by this group is 8 into 6 men days plus 25 into 6 women days, right? Now we know that anyway they are going to finish the same work, therefore the effort given by this group and this group should be equal, right? From that I can find out the relationship between men and women days. So why should I find it out? The reason is, see this, the final answer, the final question they are asking is, if 10 men and 15 women work, then how many days will it take to finish? So the final question asked is like this: if 10 men and 15 women, if they work together, then how many days does it take for them to complete the work? So if you assume that the number of days is n days, right, then 10 into n men days plus 15 into n women days is the effort given by the third group to complete it. Now we have to find out the value of n. In order to find out the value of n, if you can equate it this one with this one or this one with this one, then along with the n there will also be a ratio between women days and men days. So if you can find out the ratio and substitute over there, you can solve it. So let's see how to solve this one. Now let's try to find out the ratio between men days and women days using these two. If I equate these two, what do I get? 6 into 12 men days plus 10 into 12 women days is equal to 8 into 6 men days plus 25 into 6 women days, right? Now on both sides we can do some cancellations here. 6 twos and then 6 ones. Okay, so if you see this, 12 men days plus 20 women days equal to 8 men days plus 25 women days, right? I send it this side and I'll send it this side, and then what do you get? It is 4 men days equal to 5 women days. Therefore men days is to women days equal to 5 is to 4, right? So wherever there is men days, you can substitute it there. So men days equal to 5 by 4 women days. So convert everything to women days and then equate it. Okay, so what do you get here? If I convert everything to women days, then I get 10n into 5 by 4 women days plus 15n women days. Got it? So what do we get here? 50 by 4 4n women days plus 15n women days. Got it? Okay, now you can convert here also everything into women days and you can equate it to that. So or you can convert this one to women days and equate it to that. Anyway you can do it. So let's try to equate, convert this one to women days. So if I convert this one to women days, you are going to get 8 into 6 into 5 by 4, which means 2, 60 men days plus 25 into 6 women days. Sorry, 60 women days, right? Okay, now you can equate these two. So here everything is in women days, isn't it? And here also everything is in women days. So you can cancel out all the women days and you can find out the value of n. If you solve for it, you are going to get n as 7 by 11 days. Okay, just a simple calculation, you do it. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into university is better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.